Hey everybody, welcome back to another edition of Rabbit Motorworks. Today we're back at it with the 63 VW Bug. And we last left off getting the car started and running. However, we're not getting it to start regularly. So we're going to do some work on the electrical system and install a hard start relay. So stay tuned as we get into that and dig into repeatability. Okay, so here's kind of what's going on up here. You can see there's quite an interesting array of wiring. I've got the battery disconnected too. This looks like it's coming from the engine compartment, connected with a, yes, that's a wire nut. And this is another wire coming off of the same line as the battery, which goes up, and you can see to the back of the seat there. The other thing that I've kind of uncovered here is we've got some serious axle seal tearage. In fact, it's just like disintegrated, so that's going to be on the list of many things, along with, you can see that they got some ancient stuff on top of that. But these two wires here are interesting because these are the bypass, what somebody's already put in place to get around the resistance that runs into with the ignition wiring. So we're going to start to take this apart and install that hard start relay. So stay tuned as I'll start wiring this in. Okay, so this is what we're looking at, and this hard start relay basically gets installed with this bridged off with the ignition wire, grounded off, and then we're going to basically replace the red wire on the starter solenoid. This is the battery cable. Same thing with this as well here. And so we'll get underneath the car, take a look. One thing I'm already noticing is that we seem to have two lines coming out of the battery, so I don't know if the original battery cable was replaced and the old one still exists, but I got to do a little bit more investigation to figure out what's going on. Hey guys, so I've got everything all wired up now, and we can show you here. As I've just been able to pull in all the wires, and I'll show you as we kind of, I literally just grounded it to the back of the piece there. I took the wires, I'm just letting the relay hang for now. I'll probably mount it up once I get a little bit more permanent here. As you can see, I'm gonna have some other work in here for sure. So I think I'm gonna yank these other two wires out if it successfully starts. So let's do that and give it a try and see if she goes. So, okay, so underneath here, this is our momentary thing that we're gonna be basically taking out of the loop. This has got the two hardwire household wires going to the back. We're going to the original thing here, so let's see if this goes now with that hard start in there. So, yep, we got it. Okay, cool. So that's successful, and now we can basically have regular, repeatable, reliable, turnkey ignition. So I'll start yanking out those other wires, and then basically we'll get in and probably start the vehicle here, get the wheel back on, and see if we can take it back out.
Yes.
I think that's going to be the thing, is to, is it looking like dark fuel again?
Oh no.
It does a little bit, doesn't it?
Why?
Because there's more crap in that tank.
Yeah. Ooh, it is all dark and nicky.
Oh, we should almost go to the gas station and throw it in my gas tank. Oh, it's back there. We should almost go to the gas station and get 3 or 4 gallons just to throw in the tank and let it sit. because now we've got that hard start relay. No more push button funny stuff. So let's just give it a turn and see if it goes. Yeah! Okay, so definitely a success with the hard start relay. And we've got turnkey reliability now. So we're on another projects with the bug. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Click down below to subscribe if you like. Turn on your post notifications and stay tuned for more content as we keep doing more projects on the bug. Thanks for watching. Peace. Stop.